Open the rear gate slowly. First ostrich coming down. Everything looks calm.
Everything looks calm. Let's keep it that way. Guide them toward the inspection lane. Health check comes first. Everything looks normal. Inspection team is ready inside.
Let's bring them into the facility. Keep them together.
They're staying calm. Continue toward the next section. The inspection area is ready. Everything is under control. Let's keep moving. Let's verify the total. 24 confirmed. Next ostrich coming forward.
Count matches today's delivery. Everything is correct.
All birds are feeding normally. Feed quality looks excellent.
Record today's feeding report. Everything is healthy. We'll continue monitoring. Fresh water supply is stable.
Hydration levels look excellent. Record today's water intake. Everything appears healthy. Continue monitoring the flock.
Inspection is smooth. Every bird looks healthy. Feed levels replenished. Records are complete. No issues here.
Continue monitoring. Let's register the next bird.
Leg band successfully scanned. Identification verified. Health profile has been updated. Database synchronized successfully. New birds arriving. Prepare the wash bay. It's washing off perfectly. Clean skin appearing now. Move them to the next stage. Start the drying sequence. Air temperature is stable. The skin is drying perfectly.
Everything looks excellent.
Drying cycle complete. This skin is perfectly clean. The quill pattern looks excellent. Finishing the final brushing.
Let's check the health indicators. Heart rate is normal. Body temperature is perfect.
All vital signs are excellent. Inspection approved. Move them to the next stage.
This skin has excellent quill pattern and elasticity. Premium quality indicators. Inspection complete. Proceed to the next stage.
His body condition score looks excellent. I'm recording that in the digital health record.
Perfect. Let's move to the next pen.
Database updated. Records complete. Ready for processing. Let's move to the next stage. The distinctive ostrich skin with its unique quill follicle pattern is now being transformed into premium leather.
The quill pattern on this leather is perfect. Yes, it is exactly within specification.
Consistency is key in luxury manufacturing, with each ostrich leather section exhibiting uniform quill patterns for premium finished products. Segments moving through, sorting by quill pattern clarity. Grade A pieces going to handbags. Grade B for accessories.
Buffing complete. Surface is smooth. Ready for final inspection. Panel inspection. Quill pattern perfect. No imperfections. Premium quality confirmed.
Approved. Moving to storage. Next piece for inspection. The assembly line operates with precision and efficiency, with each station contributing to the creation of luxury ostrich leather handbags. The ostrich feathers, prized for their softness and beauty, are carefully collected and sorted for use in luxury accessories and decorative trims. Tanning process engaged. Temperature stable.
Quill pattern preserved perfectly.
Softness and flexibility at optimal levels. Within specification. Quill pattern consistent. Pattern cutting initiated. Precision stable. Zero waste pattern optimized following quill pattern.
Cutting clean. Edges perfect. No damage. Ready for stitching.
Expert stitching creates durable, beautiful seams that complement the natural beauty of the ostrich leather. Panel stitching complete. No puckering. Thread tension optimal. Moving to hardware. Hardware installation. Gold tone clasps. Alignment confirmed. Secure fit.
Every ostrich leather handbag undergoes rigorous final inspection to ensure flawless quality before it is approved for packaging.
Packaging started. Cream velvet box. Each piece in designated compartment. Protective lining in place. Handbag secured. Dust cover placed.
Box closed. Latch confirmed. Ready for labeling.
Each handbag receives a unique serial number, ensuring authenticity and complete traceability.
Packaging complete. Quality check passed. Ready for dispatch. QR code scanned. Product registered. Blockchain record updated. Traceability confirmed.
Complete traceability from bird to finished handbag ensures transparency and customer trust.
Loading in progress. Climate-controlled truck. Temperature set at 18 degrees. Humidity at 55%.
All boxes loaded. Security seals applied. GPS tracker activated. Dispatch ready. Ready. Each handbag begins its journey to the customer, with real-time tracking ensuring secure and timely delivery.
Package arrived at boutique. Unloading in progress.
Product check confirmed.
The Ostrich leather handbag arrives in pristine condition, ready to be presented to the discerning customer.
Product presentation. Ostrich leather handbag. Premium quill pattern confirmed. Ready for customer.
The complete collection showcases the versatility and beauty of ostrich leather and feathers, creating a truly luxurious experience.
The quill pattern is beautiful. The craftsmanship is exceptional.
This is our premium ostrich collection. Each piece is handcrafted with meticulous attention to detail.
From the farms of elite factory manufacturing to the hands of discerning customers, the journey of the ostrich leather handbag is complete.
Welcome to Elite Factory Manufacturing, where ostrich heritage meets timeless luxury. Crafting luxury from nature. Elite Factory Manufacturing.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. The scripts and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta, Grok, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creators' content. This video is informative only and does not represent AI visual as real footage.